Ready for dictation?
3, 2, 1, ready. The instant OA has been filed with a prayer for quashing of the impugned transfer order dated 28.08.2020 within bracket annexure A1 bracket close passed by the respondent number 3. Per the applicant, facts of the case in brief are that he was initially selected through Staff Selection Commission, Allahabad, for the post of Lower Division Clerk within bracket LDC bracket close in MES, and following appointee was posted under Chief Engineer Air Force Eastern Command, Shillong Zone, wide appointment order dated 15.01.2014. That after completion of 3 years of his tenure posting within bracket hard station bracket close, that is office of the Chief Engineer Air Force Shillong Zone, the applicant requested for compassionate posting on account of his family compulsions, which was acceded to, and he was accordingly posted to the office of CWE within bracket AF bracket close, Bamroli, Allahabad, wide order dated 09.02.2017. The applicant joined at Bamroli, Allahabad on 20.03.2017. That the transfer from hard station, that is Shillong Zone, to Allahabad within bracket peace station bracket close cannot be considered as a pure tenure to peace transfer, as it has been done on compassionate grounds, which is a distinctly different category as per transfer guidelines dated 18.02.2019. Therefore, the period of posting at Allahabad on compassionate ground may not be taken. CAT Allahabad Bench OA number 00761/2020 Monopal versus UOI took into consideration as posting from tenure to peace station or peace station at all. However, the respondents have taken it as peace station posting in passing the impugned posting order, which is a violation of the guidelines. Other grounds for quashing of the impugned order are that, as per para 6 of the guidelines, the applicant has submitted representation praying for cancellation of the transfer order on grounds of violation of guidelines, as also personal problems of health related to his ailing father. Further, that the transfer will deprive him of the opportunity to write the CGL examination, achievement of which is an important career milestone for him. That the applicant has been discriminated against, as his name appears at serial number 20 of the list in the present unit on 20.03.2017 and recommended for peace to tenure station transfer, whereas in case of one Mr. Daljit Singh, who joined earlier to the applicant viz on 22.01.2017, is shown at serial number 29, implying thereby that Mr. Daljit Singh is given a lesser seniority than applicant in spite of his earlier joining, and if the station seniority is correctly assessed, he would be at higher serial than applicant for consideration of transfer. Further, in spite of this, he has been transferred from peace to peace station, whereas applicant has been transferred from peace to tenure station. Due to peculiarities of remote geographical locations, harsh climatic conditions, security situations, poor amenities, and lack of availability of local manpower, the job requirement dictates that these stations/complexes must be manned up to a certain optimum level, thus necessitating posting of subordinates staff up to satisfaction level within bracket as derived in para 2 bracket close from within the formations under the command to ensure smooth functioning of these stations/complexes. The tenure service is mandatory, and each individual is required to fulfill his tenure liability as per his seniority in the peace stations/complexes. A board at command level will be convened, which will assemble every 6 months in January and July to screen the requests for posting on compassionate grounds. in case affected persons are due.
Stop